Welcome. Today, I brought you a way to increase Instagram followers for free. To know how to provide Instagram followers for free, follow the explanation. The website link is in the comments. Click on it, and you will be directed to the website. Here, write the username of your Instagram account, and after that, click on Get Follower. Here, choose the number of followers you need on your account. Here, click on Verify. Here you are asked to complete one of these offers to send followers to your account. The offer may ask you to register with an email or register with a phone number. You click on any offer and see what you are asked to do. Register with an email or register with a phone number and complete it. After you complete the offer, go to your account on Instagram and check the followers that have been added. After I completed one of the offers, I went to my Instagram account and found followers on the account constantly increasing. The method is successful, and in order for it to work for you, follow the same steps that were explained.